This is a review of the iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover that we are going to be doing a unboxing review on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we are going to be putting this into a test to. And this unboxing review and test, we're going to show you guys what you get inside this package, and from there we are going to install this onto my iPhone 17 Pro Max and show you guys the finished results. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside. Okay, so we got the iPhone 17 Pro Max case unboxed, and here it is. I do love that it matches with my deep blue color that you can see right over here. I love everything about this. The attention to detail about this phone case cover is really, outstanding about it. It comes with a storage. Now, if you're wondering what this does, well, I'm going to flip it and show you guys. You could put your credit cards, your ID, a lot of stuff inside as well too. So if you have any credit cards, and you could just put that all there, and your ID as well too, and then you just close it up. If you're wondering if it's going to like fall out or anything like that, that's not going to happen. It just makes a click like that, and it's not going to move anywhere. You can see on the front side it really is high quality as well too, and it, like I told you guys before, my iPhone 17 Pro Max, it is a deep blue color, and the finish on the backing is also a blue as well too. But what we're gonna do now is that I'm going to install this on my iPhone 17 Pro Max and show you guys the finished results. Okay, so here's the finished results of the iPhone 17 Pro Max case in the deep blue finish, and you can see how beautiful it looks like, and it matches exactly like my iPhone in the deep blue. You can see right over here. It looks really outstanding and marvelous. Now, I do want to say that, like I told you guys before, it comes with the card holder slot where you could put about like 3 to 5 cards, including your ID as well too. Then you close it up like that, and it clicks on like a magnet like that. Now you can see it, it feels very nice as well too, and it feels like in a durable finish as well too. When I'm holding it, I can tell that this case will, most likely protect my iPhone from getting damaged. It does come with a military grade protection as well too, and a heavy duty finish. So what that means, it does that depending on the, the fall and how high and low it falls down, it will most likely protect your iPhone from getting damaged as well too. So that is a huge plus, that it comes with a protection of a heavy duty grade material that this is built in. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this iPhone 17 Pro Max case in the deep blue finish. You can see how beautiful it looks when I have it on my iPhone 17 Pro Max. And yeah, I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for a iPhone 17 Pro Max case to put on your iPhone, and you are looking for like a replacement or a new set of a phone cover. Then this one right over here is probably one of the best ones that you could get, and I would definitely recommend this iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover in the deep blue finish.